Electricity is silent, invisible, and deadly. Every year, thousands of people are electrocuted. Thousands of homes burn, and the cause: faulty wiring, outdated electrical systems, and the simple mistake of thinking, it won't happen to me. One wrong move and zap! We can get a nasty shock or worse. Every year people get hurt by electricity. Some accidents are tragic, but many are preventable. Electricity moves at 186,000 miles per second, but your body, it only takes 1/5 of a second for a deadly current to stop your heart. Even low-voltage shocks, 120 volts, or what's in your home, can kill you. In just 0.1 amps, your muscles freeze, your lungs stop, your heart goes into chaos. That's where our little friend comes in. The GFCI. What's a GFCI? It's a ground fault circuit interrupter. It's a small device that can save your life. Imagine a river. Electricity flows like water from the outlet to your appliance. A GFCI is like a watchful lifeguard at the riverbank. It constantly monitors the flow. It makes sure the electricity river flows safely. If someone falls into the river, the lifeguard jumps into action. Here's how it works. A GFCI has a special sensor. It measures the electricity going out and coming back. If there's even a tiny difference, a leak, the GFCI knows something is wrong. Maybe some electricity is escaping, flowing through you. The GFCI acts fast, like a super-fast reflex. It cuts off the power instantly, set to trip at 0.5 milliamps, faster than a blink of an eye. You're safe. Let me tell you about Sarah. She was a young mom doing laundry one day. Her hands were wet, the old washing machine had a faulty circuit. Sarah got a shock, a bad one, but thankfully her outlet had a GFCI. It tripped immediately, cutting off the power. Sarah was shaken, but alive. The GFCI saved her life. Stories like Sarah's happen all the time. A dad changing a light fixture in the rain. A child playing with a toy near a pool. GFCIs are there, silent guardians, protecting us from harm. They are heroes in plain sight, preventing tragedies every day. Electricity is powerful. We must respect it. We must learn about it. GFCIs are simple devices, but they play a huge role in keeping us safe. Make sure your home has GFCIs. Install them in kitchens, bathrooms, outdoors, anywhere water and electricity might mix. Tell your friends and family about GFCIs. Spread the word about these lifesavers. Remember, safety first. Let's keep the electricity river flowing safely in our homes. Stay curious and stay safe.